Hi there, hope you all had a good start of the year. I'm Pritha and welcome back to my channel. You have already got to know that what I'm going to share today. Yes, you are right, rice pudding. I ain't got a sweet tooth, but this recipe brings back some sweet childhood memories. So thought of starting the year with something sweet. Let's start today's recipe. Heat the pan, then lower the heat. Add some ghee. Allow it to melt, then add bay leaf. Take any aromatic rice you have in your kitchen. I have taken Ambemohor rice. Fry till the rice turns aromatic, then add milk gradually. Turn up the flame to high and then bring it to a boil. Once it's well boiled, then turn down the flame. Sankranti is coming in 3 days, so happy Sankranti guys. If you are not a Bengali, have you ever tried any Bengali sweet dishes during Sankranti? Add some green cardamom. I'm adding peanuts. You can add cashew, almonds, anything that you like. Add raisins. Wash it before you add it. Add some salt. I don't know if you add salt in it, but the recipe I'm sharing today needs salt in it. Slow cook till the rice is well cooked, then add grated coconut. Cook till the coconut is cooked. I'm using rock sugar. Rock sugar is less sweet, chemical free and also light to digest. It's just a personal preference. Use it if you have it in your kitchen. Always add sugar when the rice is cooked and don't overcook after adding the sugar. I hope you liked today's recipe. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this. If you like this recipe, do check my other recipes as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.